Okay, so what is this cost calculator campaign? I can hear you asking the question already. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm super excited about this one because we're going to be continuing the series that we've done on social media for orthodontists. Last you heard about was virtual consultations through Facebook for orthodontists. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link to it up here so that you can watch it. This video, we're going to be covering a cost calculator campaign, talking about the amazing benefits of using it on Facebook and how you can set it up yourself. So let's go ahead and hop into the video. Again, super excited that you're here. And if you get some value out of this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so just so you know a little bit about the cost calculator campaign, I'm gonna put an example of what the ad looks like right here. As you can see in these examples, it said something like, holy cow, I can't believe how affordable braces are, or have you ever wondered how affordable braces can be, or don't overpay for braces or Invisalign, click here to find out how much you should be paying. And when somebody clicks on that ad, it takes them to an automated chat conversation with a messenger bot in Facebook Messenger. We discussed these in the last video, so again, if you haven't watched that one, make sure to go check it out. So I just want to share a little bit of background on how the cost calculator campaign came to be. If you've heard of Dr. Tyler Coles, I'll put a picture here. Amazing guy. He ran a marketing company with over 150 orthodontists in US and Canada. And he's an orthodontist himself that has grown a practice from 2 to 7 locations in a matter of years. So he really knows what he's doing when it comes to marketing. And when he got into the social media side of things, he ran all sorts of awareness campaigns, an amount off campaign, a certain amount down, a certain amount monthly. And you know, these can work, but the hands down best performing ad that he ever had work was this cost calculator campaign. And since I've been running it for my clients over the past 6 months to a year we've really been able to see a crazy amount of leads come into each practice, and a really good amount of those convert into patients as well. So the reason that this works so well is that people want discounts, people want a certain amount a month, but really what people want to know is just how much is this going to cost me? I don't want to go into a long consultation, take the time out of the day to take my child into a consultation, and at the very end of the consultation they're going to tell me it's going to be $5,000 to $6,000, and I'm not sure if I can afford that. And so they want to know a ballpark idea of how much it's going to cost them a month and how much it's going to cost them down before they go into the consultation. I know lots of doctors who say, I never talk about price over the phone, there's no way. But honestly, talking about price is a good way to qualify the people before they come in. Because if you don't want to be taking consultations from people on Facebook who can't afford your services, so what we do with the cost calculator campaign is make sure that they can afford the down payment and the monthly payment that you're asking. Okay, so once they click on that ad that says, see how affordable treatment can be, what happens next? I'm going to go ahead and start recording on my phone so that you can see exactly what happens. And I'll just throw it up right here on the side. Okay, so here we are on my phone. I'm recording exactly what's going to happen when I click on the button, try the calculator. So before this, I've clicked on a Facebook ad, and then it's taken me to my Messenger inbox, and it says this: curious on how affordable braces can be? Click below to try the calculator. So click try the calculator, and it says, are you planning on receiving orthodontic care for you or your child? I'm going to say myself. And then notice the verbiage here. Let me pull some numbers real quick. So it's not asking, it's this friendly conversational tone that allows anybody to feel at ease with you talking about price online. Let's say my down payment, I can afford $500. What's a comfortable monthly payment? I'll say $200. And again, these are totally customizable for your practice. Whatever you want to put in here, you can. It says, wonderful, Keaton. Looks like orthodontic treatment should fit comfortably into your budget. In fact, a down payment of $500 and monthly payments of $200 are what most of our customers are currently paying. Oh, I almost forgot. If you mention you found us on Facebook, when you confirm your appointment, you'll get $500 off treatment. So again, all of this is customizable. If you want to give them, I actually talked to a doctor out of California, Oceanside, California, who's changing their fee structure to always be the same exact. They want to make treatment affordable for every single person. What they're doing is making every single treatment, whether it's Invisalign braces, whether they have an overbite or not, they're putting it all into the same pricing structure. And so if you have something like that where you'd be able to give them a ballpark, or you want to give them a ballpark within Facebook Messenger, you can totally add that as well. So then it's going to ask me, are you willing to explore treatment in the next 3 months? And this is also something you can customize. If you don't want to ask this question, you just want to go straight into them scheduling a consult, you can do that as well. So I'm going to say yes. First thing is scheduling a totally free consultation valued at $400. It explains a little bit about what's going to happen at this consultation, and then it's asking me which day of the week. And you can customize this again. If you're not open on Fridays, you can take it off. Let's say I want to go in on a Thursday, and afternoon is best for me. What's the name of the person getting treatment? I'll type in my name. So what the bot does is it recognizes that I've typed in my name and then asks me about my phone number, best email address, and then it says, excellent, our scheduling coordinator will reach out to you, confirm your appointment, and we look forward to meeting. So it's a fun experience to have with this messenger bot, and somebody can complete this process within 3 minutes, go from not really understanding what it's going to cost to do orthodontic treatment to kind of getting a ballpark and understanding what the cost might be like at your practice, and then to scheduling an appointment there. With this information, your scheduling coordinator, your TC, or your office manager will call this person, text them, or email them, and then schedule the appointment so they can come in for their free consultation. If you want to try this messenger bot flow for yourself, I'm going to link in the comments below a link where you can click and go try it and see how you like it yourself. So there's a little bit of controversy and a lot of different opinions when it comes to this campaign. I know a lot of people don't like it. They think it's not what you should be running on Facebook, but really what you can't argue with is the results. I have never had this campaign fail to produce a new patient for a client. Never. And I don't think anybody else can say that when it comes to their Facebook campaigns. So if you haven't run this, if you have run it and it only got you 1 or 2 new patients, then that's okay. That's okay. You don't have to go back and do it. But if you haven't run it, we have offices starting 10 new patients a month just off of running this campaign. And the reason that it works is because it's customer centric. You're giving the customer what they want. You're providing them with value before you ask for the consultation. And the other reason that it works is that it's just so simple. Really, everything in marketing, everything in life should run to simplicity. And if it's not running to simplicity and it's really complex and you can't figure out how to make it work, it's probably not the right thing to be doing. So part of the genius of this campaign is just that it's so simple. Okay, so with that said, you're probably wondering, how do we get people to take this cost calculator? There are a few different ways, but the main way is going to be Facebook ads. So let's hop into my computer so I can explain how we use Facebook ads to get people to take the cost calculator. Okay, so here we are on my computer. I'm gonna come into the back end of Facebook here and select messages. This is Ads Manager. There's a lot of other videos on how to set this up on my channel. If you haven't watched them already, make sure to watch those. But I'm gonna select Messages Objective. I'll just say Cost Calculator Demo. Click Continue. And then we're gonna come in here to create a new audience. And you're just gonna go ahead and put in the address of your practice. I use this fake address, Paris, 1234 Paris Street. So depending on how rural or how urban the area is that you live in, if you live in Manhattan, you can do a much smaller radius, but it looks like this place is pretty rural, so we're gonna go with 15 miles. Might be too much for you, but if you have 2 practices or you cover a pretty wide area, you know better for your area what that radius needs to be. The most important thing is that you're not constricting the targeting too much. Also make sure that you select people living in this location, since you only want people who actually live in your area to be your orthodontic patients. So let's come in here. We're going to change the age from 35 to 55, and we're going to change it to women. The ads tend to work better. We've run ads for orthodontists all over the country and in Canada as well, and what tends to work the best, not always, is this targeting, 35 to 55 of women, mostly because it targets the moms in the area. And as you can see, this has decreased our reach so much, 20,000 people, that we don't even need to add any detailed targeting. At this point, detailed targeting would just constrict Facebook too much and it wouldn't understand what to do. It wouldn't be able to show the ad to enough people. So come down here. A good healthy budget for the cost calculator is going to be anywhere from $10 to $20 a day, depending on how expensive ads are in your area. So we'll go ahead and put 15. Then you're going to come in here to identity. Make sure that you have your Facebook page selected and your Instagram page selected. A lot of people wonder, why don't we run more Instagram ads versus Facebook ads? And the truth is that we'll come back here into the ad set level. So a placement, that refers to exactly where it's going to be placed on Facebook. And if you can tell here, so the Facebook news feed and the Instagram feed, it's all within the same platform. So we're running Facebook ads. When we say Facebook ads, we mean Instagram ads as well. Facebook knows for your specific area which platform is going to perform the best. So definitely leave that on automatic placement so Facebook can do its own optimization. So come in here to select that Instagram account, and then let's add media, add image. I'll come in here and add this picture. Okay, and then right here on the primary text, you can add whatever you want. Just make sure that people know it's the cost calculator. So let's say we can do, this is pretty fun, Holy cow, and then we can add a cow emoji in there. I can't believe how affordable braces can be. Click below to try our braces calculator and see for yourself. And then the headline will say braces / Invisalign calculator. And then also, instead of saying click below, we could say click send message, just like this, so people understand they need to click that send message button. And then I'll just leave the description off, but what you could put here is your address, or you could also put like star like this, put 5 different stars. I'll copy that, delete one of those, and say top rated orthodontists in Ontario, let's say. Okay, so you can't see this description show up right now, but on some people's mobile and some people's desktop, it's going to show up under the headline, which is this braces / Invisalign calculator. And to make this a little bit more exciting, we'll come in here and say try our braces / Invisalign calculator, exclamation mark. And then we'll click send message. And again, we're going to come in here to create chat. So we'll say, hi Keaton, click below to start the calculator. And usually this takes a little bit to load. We'll wait for it to load. Go ahead and ignore my typos there. We're gonna do quick replies. And then here we'll say, try the calculator. So what this quick reply does is it allows us to create an automation within ManyChat, which I'll pull up right now, so that when somebody says the words try the calculator, it triggers a specific response from our ManyChat account. I would click save and finish, but I'm not going to clutter up my account with this, but you would make sure to save that. We'll come into ManyChat. So then we'll come in here to automation, click keywords, new keyword, and here we're going to say try the calculator, exclamation mark. I'm not sure if so you have to make sure that it's exactly what it says within the messenger flow. So you could do try the calculator, exclamation mark, or just try the calculator. And then we'll click create keyword, click select existing, and I'm gonna do testing cost calculator. Here you go, book in messenger. Whenever anybody says try the calculator, it's gonna send this flow to them, which is just the exact flow that we went through. It's got quite a few extra things in here that allows us to tag and then send that information to a Google Sheet. It looks really complicated, and it kind of is if you're not familiar with ManyChat, but it's got a lot of awesome things in here that allow us to tag and follow up with specific types of people that go through the cost calculator. So there you have it. That's the cost calculator campaign. That's how it works, and I really, really know it can work for you. Like I said, it's never failed to produce a new patient for one of my clients. Even the clients that it hasn't gone so well for have at least gotten 1 or 2 new patients out of the campaign. So after watching this video, you have 2 options. You can set this all up yourself. I've shown you how to do it. You can create the messenger flow within ManyChat. You can create the Facebook ads. You can run it to your local area. I promise you that if you do it this way, you're going to fail at the beginning. You'll figure it out eventually, but really, all of the tech stuff that's involved, all of the back-end automation, it takes a long time to get right, and you have to be very, very careful so that you don't get it wrong. So your other option is to hire OrthoPatients, hire myself and my business partner Tyler to run this campaign for you. If you want to do that, go ahead and schedule a strategy session below to see if you're qualified to work within our agency, and we would love, love, love to get this campaign up for you and help you bring in 10 new extra patients a month with the strategies that we're employing here. So super excited to see you on the other side. Hopefully we'll be on a call soon. Thanks again for stopping by the channel. Make sure you click like, it really helps me out, and subscribe to the channel if you're interested in getting more tutorials like this in the future. Take care, and I'll see you next time.